Will crypto replace fiat currency? This is one of the most pressing questions in the financial world today. To understand the potential for cryptocurrency to replace traditional fiat money, it's important to first grasp the basic of each. In this video, we will answer the question and explore the pros and cons of both systems, providing a comprehensive look at why this transformation is so compelling. Watch the full video to find out our predictions. Fiat money is government-issued currency that isn't backed by physical commodity like gold or silver. Instead, its value is derived from the trust and authority of the government that issue it. Example includes the US dollar, the euro, and the yen. Fiat money is the lifeblood of the current financial system, facilitating trades and commerce on the global scale. However, it has significant drawbacks, particularly in terms of inflation and government control over supply. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or a group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike fiat money, cryptocurrencies are typically decentralized and operate on a blockchain technology, providing a transparent and secure ledger of transactions. Why cryptocurrency could replace fiat? One of the primary reasons people are gravitating towards cryptocurrencies is the decline in faith in government-issued currencies. Massive money printing, particularly during economic crisis, leading to inflation, reducing the purchasing power of fiat money. In contrast, Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins, making it immune to inflationary pressures. Furthermore, major asset managers like BlackRock and other financial institutions are adding Bitcoin to their portfolio. They recognize the potential of Bitcoin as a hedge against the collapse of the dollar due to relentless inflation and monetary policy mismanagement. Gradual adoption and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, the shift from fiat to crypto won't happen overnight. It will be a gradual process of adoption. Governments will attempt to maintain control by introducing central bank digital currencies, aka CBDCs, which leverage blockchain technology to address issues like hyperinflation and uncontrolled money printing. However, unlike Bitcoin, CBDCs can still be manipulated by government, potentially leading to even greater control over the money supply and increased surveillance on transactions. Pros and cons of fiat money and Bitcoin. Fiat money pros: wide acceptance and use in daily transactions. Stability in value, relatively in short term. Government backing provides a sense of security. Fiat money cons: subject to inflation and monetary policy abuses. Centralized control leads to potential mismanagement. Lack of transparency and potential for corruption. Bitcoin pros: limited supply, protect against inflation. Decentralized, reducing the risk of government control. Transparent and secure transactions through blockchain. Bitcoin cons: price volatility makes it challenging as a stable medium of exchange. Limited acceptance compared to fiat, and regulatory uncertainty and potential legal challenges. Bitcoin potential as a medium of exchange was proven when the first Bitcoin transaction was made to buy 2 pizzas in 2010. This historical event showcased Bitcoin's real-world applications. However, the volatility of Bitcoin's price remains a significant challenge. Solutions like Layer 2 protocols, which facilitate faster and more stable transactions of the main blockchain, are being developed to address these issues. Different cryptocurrencies serve different purposes beyond being a medium of exchange. For example, Ethereum smart contracts enable decentralized application, revolutionizing industries like finance, real estate, and supply chain management. In conclusion, Bitcoin has the potential to replace fiat currency, but this transformation will not happen overnight. Increased adoption by institutions, regulatory advancement, and the Development of solutions like Layer 2 protocol will drive this change. Countries like El Salvador have already adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender, paving the way for broader acceptance. As inflation erodes the value of fiat money and as more institutions recognize the benefit of Bitcoin, we may see a future where Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies play a central role in the global financial system. In the long run, Bitcoin could very well be the savior of the dollar, providing a stable and transparent alternative to the current system, which has been prone to abuse and mismanagement. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and like this video, share your thoughts, and see you in the next one.